Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Robie Creek, local and long distance movers near me. As a long distance moving company, we offer a range of fully inclusive options. We understand that time is precious and we want to make your move go as smoothly as possible. These are the moving services options we offer: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Our long distance moving service takes all the stress out of your moving. If we encounter any problems, we have the experience to solve them. Whether you're moving one state over or across the country, we're ready to help you. Helping our customers and clients to move locally is something we have been doing for a long time. When you're looking for a local Idaho moving company to help you move just up the road or the next town over, why waste time doing the hard work when we can do it for you? 3 Movers can take care of everything for you and make moving days super simple. We even streamline the moving process to get you settled in sooner. When you are ready to find out more about the best Robie Creek Moving Company, give us a call. Our friendly movers are ready to answer any questions that you may have. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Robie Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.